But so Reed, it's one of the ways I think my dad kept him home at regular intervals, right?
Hmm.
He would have to, clean the stalls, and I didn't. We had the girls had the indoor work, helping with the kids, laundry, stuff like that. So one day he said, "We just come out." It was a rare mood because he teased us relentlessly. I don't blame him. Tormented us really.
Hmm.
But he's in a good mood, and we're kind of joking. And he's like, "Just come out with me one time, and you'll see what it's like."
Hmm.
We start going through that, and I almost retched like 16 times.
Hmm.
I'm trying to be a helpful sister, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know how he does this. It's like
Hmm.
overpowering ammonia.
Yeah, this is gross.
It
Let's
is
be
just
honest,
the
it's gross.
grossest
It's
thing.
just gross. Yeah.